Hello guys, welcome to my channel Finil. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe and share this video for making people financially smart. With that, let's get right into it. The company that we are going to analyze today is Avenue Supermarts. Avenue Supermarts, as most of you already know, is also known as DMART. DMART is India's one of the biggest retail corporation that operates hypermarkets in India. The company has announced their results for the quarter ending December 21 on 8th Jan. And today we are going to decode the performance and evaluate the company. With that said, let's get right into the Excel and see how the numbers look like. Okay, so here we are. To make things simpler, what I have done is I have copied the numbers, and here, since we have the numbers, let's take a look at these numbers one by one. So if you look at the numbers for the current quarter, which is quarter ending on December 21, you see that the company had made a revenue of 9,097 crores. The total expenditure that the company had is 8,315 crores. The profit before tax is 781.97 crores, and the profit after tax is 585.79 crores. Now, if you look at quarter-on-quarter performance, the company has gained revenue from in the quarter September 21, the company had a revenue of 7682.63, whereas that revenue has grown to 9,097 in the current quarter. Similarly, if you look at the expenditure, the company had an expenditure of 7,085 crores in September 21. The expenditure has also grown to 8315.36 crore in the December 21 quarter. Profit before tax subsequently was 597.05 crore in September 21, and it has increased to 781.97 crore in the December 21. And if I look at profit after tax, it stood at 448.9 crores in September 21, and it has grown to 585.79 crores in the quarter ending December 21. Now, if I talk about the growth rate, the company has grown at a rate of 18% quarter on quarter. From previous quarter to current quarter, the revenue growth has been at 18%. The expenditure growth has also been at 17%. The profit after tax and the profit before tax both stood at around 30% and 31% approximately. Right. So this is how the numbers look like. Now, if I show you the numbers in charts, you could see that the company's total revenue has been on an increasing trend from the quarter ending June 21. So in the quarter ending June 21, the company's revenue was around 5,000 crores, which has increased to around 9,000 crores in the quarter ending December 21. So there is a steady rise in revenue for the company. If I talk about the expenditures, again comparing from the quarter ending on June 21, the expenditures have also grown for the company. If I talk about the profit after tax, here is what you can see a remarkable growth. So in the quarter ending June 21, the company's profit were around 100 crores, and currently the company's profits stand around 600 crores. So you can see a remarkable 6x times growth in a matter of just 2 quarters, right? So the company has grown significantly when we talk about the profit after tax, right? And so this is what the numbers say. This is what the financial results that the company has released say. If you look at these numbers, you might see that the company had shown a profit after tax of 290% in the September 21 quarter, but in the current quarter, the growth rate is only 30%. So it might seem that the company's growth has declined. But to be all fair to the company, this 290% is just because of low base numbers in June 21. Due to COVID, the shops were shut and the company's profit plummeted. Now, since the base is low, we are seeing a remarkable number here, because once the shops opened and the companies picked up, you saw a significant growth, right? So this number 290 is just because of the lockdown that occurred during the COVID phase. But in all, the company grew at 30% when compared to the previous quarter. Other key highlights which were mentioned in the reports that was released on 8th Jan was the revenue growth. So if you look at company's revenue growth year on year, what do I mean by year on year is the revenue of the company in the same quarter last year, comparing that number with the numbers in the current year same quarter. So in the year on year, the company's revenue growth has increased by 22%. The profit after tax of the company has gone up by 25%. So this is a remarkable number. It's a good number. The company has grown at 25% year on year. The revenue also grown steadily at 22% rate. The earnings per share, higher the earnings per share, the better it is. So the earnings per share increased to 9.04 in the quarter ending December 21, which stood at 7.26 in the quarter ending December 20. So you can also see an increase in earnings per share, which is again a positive sign. Also, the company has released that they have opened 17 new additional stores this quarter, which would help them to build revenue in the future, in the future times to come. So this is what in summary the numbers look like. So yeah, so that's all folks. So I hope I have left you with an understanding into how the results look like for Avenue Supermarket. If you liked what I did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment box if you need the sheet that I used. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.